Let's now move on to other matters. Now, 50 families in Seme constituency, Kisumu County, have been rendered homeless after the torrential rain and windstorms wreaked havoc in the area, completely destroying 2 churches and 8 houses. Now, the families are trying to salvage belongings from the derelict building as they await a team from the Kenya Red Cross who are expected to visit the area this afternoon. They organize relief efforts and move to the affected communal shelter. Also affected by the storm was a health center that also lost all of its roof but survived the onslaught.